Hey folks, it's Rich here. You may know me as Doe and Behold. By day, I'm a VFX editor, but by nights, weekends, and any other opportunity in between, I'm a pizza maker. I first bought my Ooni about 9 years ago, so I've been making pizza ever since. Today, we're going to be making my signature Doe and Behold pizza on my absolutely gorgeous Ooni Koda 2. When you put them in an oven that's like 400, 450 degrees C, the crusts puff up and give you a really light, airy cornicione, as they call it. I've been making pizzas for years in a home oven and I never got that crust spring. So when you put it in a Koda 2, it's going to blow your mind. It's so light. I can pack that oven up, put it in the back of the car, take it to a friend's house, to the beach, anywhere. It's so easy to set up. You can plug it into your gas bottle and it heats up in 20 minutes to sort of 400, 450 degrees C. Being a gas oven just means it frees up more of your time to enjoy the process of pizza making. I don't have to worry about it heating up at all. I know it's going to do its job, and I certainly don't have to worry about, does it need extra wood, does it need extra pellets? It just gives you more time just to relax, talk to friends, concentrate on your pizza more as well. So for me, gas is perfect. We're all pretty busy these days. I like to make my dough way in advance, just so I've always got some on hand in the fridge. If the kids get home from school, they want a pizza, or if I get back from work late, within 20 minutes, you set your oven up and you can have a cracking Neapolitan pizza, whatever style you like, really. It's just so easy to use, and I think it's the perfect tool for quick meals with your family that are absolutely delicious. If you want to get into more detail about the temperature of your oven, you can get the Ooni Connect digital temperature hub, which will give you an overall ambient temperature reading of your oven. It's brilliant because it connects to your phone, so you can spend more time chatting to friends, have a look at your phone, go, I need a little bit longer. I don't know about you, but I've got into the habit of brushing my crusts with oil recently. I sprinkle a bit of chili sea salt and it gives it such a salty kick. Such a brilliant little hack if you want to level up your pizza game a little bit. The best thing is, in this oven, I can control the heat so easily, so I like to launch this pizza on full flame and then I turn the heat right down and give it a low, slow bake, so that oiled crust will go nice and crispy and golden. So it's clear a huge amount of design and engineering work has gone into this new oven. The heat distribution is pretty phenomenal. It gives you such a fantastic even bake on your crusts, which means you don't need to put as much work into your pizza. You can turn it if you want, but you don't necessarily have to. I like to turn my pizza because it makes me feel like a proper pizzaolo. It's fantastic. One of my favorite things about this oven, it's now 14 inches at its widest part. You have ample room to launch and maneuver a great pizza. Okay, so we've got our pizza base out of the oven. I've got these amazing Isle of Wight tomatoes that I've been marinating in tarragon, basil, garlic and olive oil all day. A lovely, massive ball of burrata, which I then drizzle with olive oil and a sprinkle of chili sea salt. Oh yeah, you can hear that. Super crispy, salted crust, and then when you cut into it, it's going to be light and fluffy on the inside, and it's delicious. I can't wait to try this pizza, and I really hope you want to try it too. If you want the recipe, head to ooni.com. Can we eat this now, please? Cheers. That's really good. Very messy too, but really good.